Okay, so far we've been through 4 steps. The first step, you represent elements with their chemical symbols. Second step, you need to know the elements that exist as diatoms. Third step, you need to know the valencies of the elements and then you indicate them. The fourth step, you bring the cations first, you put the anions second in the compound. The elements forming the compounds, you put each element with its valency shown. Now the first step, if the valencies or the charges are the same, they cancel each other out. Here you have a plus, here you have a minus. Since they are all plus 1 minus 1, they cancel each other. So when you have 1, take away 1, you get 0. They cancel each other, and this is the formula of our compound. So they take the charges away. Now we have 2 calciums, or plus 2 calcium minus 2 oxygen. So 2 take away 2, that is also going to be 0. So they take away the charges, and then we get calcium oxide. So if you have minus 3, they will take away their charges. Minus 3 plus 3, they will take away their charges. Minus 4 plus 4, charges will be taken away. So if the valencies are the same, they cancel each other out. Now in situations where the valencies are different, for example, if you have calcium, it has a charge of plus 2. Chlorine has a charge of minus 1. Here, the charges are different. So this is what is going to happen. We assume this is a negative sign, so the number in front of chlorine will be 1. And then clearly we see the number in front of calcium to be 2. Now they are going to swap positions. Instead of going to the top, this time around they are going to go to the bottom. So the 1 will come to calcium, the 2 will go to chlorine, but they will not stay as charges, but they are going to change to number of atoms. Now this means that calcium is now taking 1 atom, so we are going to get Ca1. And then chlorine is now taking the number 2. So chlorine will become Cl2. Now we know that it is not nice to put the 1 here. Therefore we need to get rid of the 1. And then we are going to get CaCl2 as our answer. So when the charges are different, we swap the positions. But this time around, they don't remain as charges, but they come down and then behave as the number of atoms.